We have a delicious plant-based pancake here that is going to be, I'm so excited to try it.
Well, you said that you had these as a kid.
So my grandma and grandpa used to make buckwheat pancakes all the time when we were camping on the iron skillet and the fire, and I was obsessed with them. I love them. They're just so good.
I think that's awesome. I have never had buckwheat pancakes before. I think I've never ordered them because they just sound way too healthy. And if I was gonna get pancakes, I was gonna get pancakes.
And I think that's just, I started eating them like that, and I just love them. They just have a little bit of a nuttier, richer flavor than plain pancakes. They're not quite as airy, but when I saw this recipe in the Minimalist Baker cookbook that we've been using, this vegan cookbook, I was like, we have to make these because I love it. It brings back such happy memories for me. And so I just picked up some buckwheat at Schnucks. Super simple. It's got buckwheat and then whole wheat flour in it. And we started with a flax egg. And so rather than a chicken egg, we started with a flax egg, which is just a tablespoon of your flaxseed meal and 2.5 tablespoons of water. And you just let that sit for 5 minutes. And it acts just like an egg in the binding of the pancakes. But it also allows it to be just a complete plant-based, item if you're trying to lower your cholesterol. This is a very heart-healthy meal with the flaxseed in it and the buckwheat and the oatmeal. It's just very high in fiber and very heart-healthy.
I forgot it has the gluten-free oats in it too from Trader Joe's that we love.
That's right.
And I think what's so great too is we'll take some of these and freeze them.
Oh yeah.
Or just put them in a Ziploc and put them in the fridge. And they're nice to make a batch. And then I would just grab one in the morning and
or throw it in the toaster and go.
Yeah.
I used to freeze my pancakes and then I would throw them in the toaster and go.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
So I don't usually like syrup on my pancakes. I like butter and then I like a little jelly.
A little jam. Okay, well we have to try these. I'm so excited.
Okay. All right. Here.
So
I'll serve you.
serve them up, sister. Do you want one of my bananas?
No, I'm gonna have some.
You're gonna have some jam.
I'm gonna have some jam.
And we just drizzled a little bit of maple syrup on these, so I am so excited to try this. Jam, I'll have to maybe try that.
I'm telling you, just jam and butter is what I like.
Jam and butter. I didn't do syrup as a kid. I just did butter and lots of it.
Well, yeah, to where like pools.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah.
you put powdered sugar on it.
Oh yeah,
And then
looked like syrup, but okay.
so good.
So I'm so anxious to try
it
this.
smells so good.
So good. I love them. This brings back happy memories to me. I don't know. It's just, so they're buckwheat spice pancake. We have cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and molasses in here.
Cardamom is the most underutilized spice I was telling you earlier. I love cardamom in recipes. And I love it in this.
I have to say, I have some, but I don't know what I've used it in. I don't use it often, but this has just got a great flavor. It's delicious, it's fluffy, and it's got a little spice to it.
So try buckwheat pancakes because they're delicious.
And it took no time at all to make. Just whip them up as quick as you would. Your Bisquick, but this is so much healthier, delicious, and just a great way to start the day. So
yeah. So we'll go ahead and drop the link below to the recipe, and please feel free to leave any comments. Hit the big red subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date to all of our videos and our adventures.
yeah, and don't knock buckwheat pancakes until you try them. See ya.
Bye.
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 Yep. Okay. Aren't they good?
They're good.